Your question setting checked for a checkbox with jQuery. Your answer. To set a checkbox to checked using jQuery, you can use the .prop method. Example: $checkbox ID .prop checked true. Your question thinking in AngularJS if I have a jQuery background? Closed. Your answer. Thinking in AngularJS can be a bit of a challenge if you have a jQuery background. The key is to understand the differences between the two libraries. The main difference is that jQuery is a library for manipulating the DOM, while AngularJS is a framework for building applications. AngularJS is also designed to be modular and testable, while jQuery is more focused on providing a set of tools for manipulating the DOM. For example, if you have a jQuery background and want to create a simple list of items, you might write something like this. Li item 1/li. Li item 2/li. Li item 3/li. /ol. In AngularJS, you would create a controller to hold the list of items and use the ngRepeat directive to loop through the list and display the items. Div ng controller equals my controller. Li ngRepeat equals item in items item /li. /ol. /div. / controller. App controller, my controller, $scope, function, $scope. $scope.items equals item 1, item 2, item 3. Question: why does Google prepend while 1 to their JSON responses? Your answer. Google prepends while 1 to their JSON responses in order to prevent malicious code from being executed if the response is misinterpreted as JavaScript. This technique is used to protect against cross-site scripting (XSS) attacks, which are a type of security vulnerability that can be exploited by malicious actors. For example, if a malicious actor were to inject malicious code into a JSON response, the code would be executed if the response was interpreted as JavaScript. By prepending while 1 to the response, the code is no longer valid JavaScript, and cannot be executed. Example. / malicious code. var malicious code equals alert, malicious code executed. / JSON response. var JSON response equals status, OK. / prepend while, 1, to response. var JSON response with prepend equals while, 1, plus JSON response. console.log, JSON response with prepend. / output, while, 1, status, OK.